Why acknowledge and recognize employees? Well, the biggest reason is it shows appreciation. It sends the right message. It tells someone we appreciate you, not just what you do here as an employee, as a worker, but as a person too. And it helps to bring out the best in people. When people feel that when they can work in an environment that they're allowed to grow, spread their wings, when they're allowed to voice their opinion, they begin to have confidence in themselves. Their talents begin to come out and develop. They can work toward a common goal. So, and that's what you want. And when we talk about, look, the bottom line here is about business. It's about truly the bottom line. But you'll never get where you want to get to until you understand that it's the people in the company that truly are the driving force to success. You can have the best equipment, the best looking shop, the best training, everything. That's not going to make you win in business. It's the same as in sports. The most best looking, most beautiful looking football stadiums don't win championships. It's the people, the players on the field that win, and the culture of that company, of that organization that wins championships. So
I was going to say that's
critical
for Alabama up until recently.
That's true too. Let's not go there.
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay. It leads to employee engagement. Getting back to engagement before, you want an employee to feel that he or she can connect the dots between what I'm doing in this company and what I need to do for my personal life. And that's truly what engagement's all about. Again, to repeat myself earlier, when people don't feel engaged, when they feel separated from the overall workings of the company, they're not going to go the extra mile. They're not going to spread their wings. There's kind of a fear factor that's involved. So when you recognize it and acknowledge people, and I'm going to get to some ways how to do this in a little bit, then it improves employee recognition. It promotes honest feedback. You need honest feedback from the people around you. You can't have people afraid to speak to you. If you implement as a shop owner a new process or program, a custom experience process, let's say, and it's not working, you want your service advisors to tell you, hey, boss, it's not working. It's not working. You need that critical feedback. We've all heard the expression, you can't be the smartest guy in the room. Well, that's true. You cannot be. So you need honest feedback from a lot of people, and the people around you in an environment that they're allowed to voice their opinions through recognition and acknowledgement, they're going to give you that feedback. Improves workplace morale. This is critical. If you don't have a healthy workplace, you don't have a healthy company. It's hands down. So you need to, so by acknowledging people, recognize their accomplishments, you're going to improve the workplace morale. And people want to feel that their work matters. They truly do. Oprah Winfrey once said in one of her presentation that, she's given thousands and thousands of interviews, thousands. And at the end of each interview, no matter who it is, whether it was a sports hero or a president of the United States, whoever it was, at the end of the interview, they always asked Oprah Winfrey, how did I do? Was this okay? Because they wanted to know if what they did really worked, but was it important? Did it matter? So people have this thing about them that they really, something intrinsic, it's from the heart, that you want to know that the work that they're doing. What you don't want to do as a manager or shop owner is to demotivate people. It's to not recognize, not acknowledge. That shuts people down. And when people are shut down and they're not allowed to spread their wings, not allowed to grow within themselves and in your company, then they begin to shut down. And then that's a recipe for your culture is going to become stale and the business will not flourish.